Palm Beach County's top health official and other local leaders in the medical community met today to discuss the rise in new COVID cases. They say that number will double every 10 to 14 days in the county if more people do not get the shot.
Our Steve King joins us live tonight with more on today's meeting. Steve?
Felicia, well, the Village of Wellington organized a virtual roundtable discussion today with Palm Beach County Health Department Director Dr. Alina Alonso. As one of the participants, she says that these last few weeks have been very concerning, looking at that spike in numbers. But she says something is encouraging. More people have been vaccinated in the last couple weeks, so the rate did go up as of late. But she says still not nearly enough people have been vaccinated overall. Just 64% of people 12 and older have been vaccinated, and she says that if more people who were younger were vaccinated, these overall numbers and this spike would be lower, but the younger people is the group that has the lowest vaccination rate at this time, and especially with school right around the corner, she's hoping that changes soon. Now, this is health leaders also say that young people, again, are making up the biggest percentage of that new spike in cases that we're seeing. We also heard from the medical director at Wellington Regional Medical Center. Let's hear what he had to say earlier.
The emergency departments are packed again. We're back to times where when we were early on in COVID, where we were completely full, and we're back to those times now because of this Delta variant that's going on. With this Delta variant, we're seeing it affect them significantly. We're seeing a lot more younger people that are getting significantly sick, needing oxygen, needing to be hospitalized, things that we didn't see as much earlier.
Now, health leaders remind people that the Delta variant is significantly more infectious than other variants of COVID-19 at this time. Health leaders also say that all three vaccines are effective against all variants of COVID-19, including the Delta variant. Dr. Alonso also spoke about booster shots. She says at this time, unless there's word that booster shots are necessary, people should hold off and not get a booster shot if they are fully vaccinated right now. She also addressed people who've had the Pfizer or Moderna but only have had one dose of those shots and never got their second dose. She says if you've only had one dose of those shots, you do not need to repeat the series. You just need to get the second dose of one of those shots as soon as possible. Reporting live in Palm Beach County, Steve King, WPBF 25 News.